Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the runtime. Install Wine and Vulkan drivers so Wallpaper Engine can run. Once done, enable Steam Play for all titles and choose Proton or Proton GE for compatibility. Make sure 32-bit libraries are present because many runtime components require them. Now add Wallpaper Engine as a non-Steam shortcut if needed, then right-click, Properties, and force the Proton version. You're ready to launch the installer. This first phase gets the environment stable. You run the installer under Proton and follow on-screen prompts. Accept default paths unless you have a custom wine prefix. Once installed, adjust launch options to ensure Vulkan/DXVK are preferred and disable Wine D3D fallbacks to avoid performance drops. Then open Wallpaper Engine, import a simple 2D wallpaper or a video file to verify playback. Make sure compositors are configured. Either disable compositor or use compatible settings so you finalize by selecting startup options, choosing quality presets, and assigning wallpapers to specific monitors. Once done, tweak performance by lowering effects or frame rate limits to save power. If something breaks, try a different Proton version, update your GPU drivers, or create a fresh wine prefix to isolate issues. Make sure to clear Wallpaper Engine cache and re-log in to Steam for workshop sync problems. This key troubleshooting path resolves most crashes and content download failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.